If you love chile rellenos but can't master the technique to make them or hate the fact that it takes about 1.5 years to make, well, have no fear because today we're going to be making a chile relleno casserole. Yeah, I know, casserole and a chile relleno. Please do not cancel me. You already know the drill. You need to char and peel your chiles. So char them, put them in a plastic bag, let them steam for 15 minutes, and then peel the outside and remove all the seeds. I'm not going to be stuffing these, so slice them open and remove any extra seeds. There, the chile part is done. Now we need to make the sauce. So in a pot of boiling water, we're going to add 4 tomatoes, quarter piece of onion, and 2 chile puyas. Once boiled, I peel the tomatoes and I put everything into the blender along with all the seasonings I'm going to add on the screen, and we're going to fry up the sauce until it comes to a light simmer. Always grate your own cheese, and I'm going to show you why in a bit. Now, this is a technique that you have to master in order to make the perfect chile relleno, but right now, in this case, it really doesn't matter. You're going to separate your egg yolks from your egg whites with no egg yolk in your egg whites. Do it one at a time. Once they're nice and fluffy and you can put the bowl over your head, nothing spills out, it is ready. We're going to add salt, pepper, baking powder, and about 2 tablespoons of flour. Now you can incorporate the egg yolks and slowly mix everything. You don't want to deflate nothing. You're going to spray the baking dish with a little bit of nonstick, and basically you're going to make a chile relleno lasagna. You're going to add a layer of your egg to the bottom, your chiles on the top, and lots of cheese. Repeat this process until you get to the top. I could have shredded some more cheese because I had ran out, but I was too lazy to do so. Because of that, the fake cheese that I bought made some type of crust on top of my chile relleno casserole, and it kind of hurt my heart and my soul, but we're going to keep on moving. Once it's baked, you're going to let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then you're going to make a nice little bit of your sauce, add a slice of your chile relleno, some more sauce, and then you're going to drizzle some sour cream if you want, and some queso fresco. Just like that, you made yourself an easy casserole. Hope you like this recipe. Bye! Josiah is probably my biggest critic, and he was appalled when I made the chile relleno casserole because chile rellenos happened to be his favorite, and he was like, absolutely not. I'm gonna make these myself. I always say char your chiles however you want, and Josiah took that literal and used a torch to char the chiles. Then he takes them to the sink where he peeled the skin off and rinsed the seeds inside. Of course, Joseph sees Big Brother in the kitchen, so he wants to be in the kitchen, but he was fired by Big Brother. In a pot, he's gonna add his potatoes for his stuffing and some tomatoes and chiles for the sauce. Once the potatoes have been cooked, he's going to rice them. That way they're nice and smooth, and then you're going to season them up with whatever it is that you like. We like to use 2 types of cheeses, a melting cheese and queso fresco. You're going to shred the Monterey Jack, crumble the queso fresco, and then you're going to mix it with the potato. This is going to be your stuffing. You're going to stuff it inside your chile, close it up using the same amount of toothpicks. That way you know how many to remove from every single chile and nobody chokes with the toothpick. Lightly coat the chiles with some flour, and then you're going to set this aside so we can finish making the sauce. To your blender, you're going to add the tomatoes, chiles, and all the seasonings I'm going to list on the screen. Blend and fry your sauce in a little bit of oil. If your sauce is too thick, add a little bit of water, let this come to a simmer, and then set it aside. Now, the egg batter is the most crucial part of the chile relleno. That's why we do it last. You're going to separate your egg whites and your egg yolks. No egg yolk in your egg white, or else your egg whites will never do this. Once your egg whites are fluffy and you can put them over your head, you're going to add your egg yolks. Gently fold with 1 tablespoon of flour, and then you're going to dip your chile, making sure that it's fully coated. You're going to shallow fry these, not deep fried. Once they're nice and golden brown, you remove and drain. I like to use an egg per chile, but I also crack extra eggs. That way I can make tortitas de huevo for the people who don't like the chiles, aka Jose. Now, we like to add the chiles into the sauce, so we're going to let them simmer for about 15 minutes. In the meantime, you can wait those 15 minutes or just make tortillas like Josiah. Now, to serve, he made a rice and a side salad, but he was more eager to show you guys the inside of his chile. There you have it, guys. Hope you like this recipe. Bye!